Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Commodity TV. Today, I would like to introduce you to a new gold company called Newcore Gold Limited. Therefore, this video is produced and paid for on behalf of Newcore Gold. When you hear gold and think of Ghana, you are spot on. This West African country is the top gold producer on the continent with approximately 5 million ounces produced in 2024. This places the country not only at the top of the list in Africa, but also among the world's leading producers, ranking 6th worldwide. It is within this emerging gold district that Newcore Gold is advancing the development of its highly prospective Enchi Gold Project. And Enchi has a lot to offer. It covers a 248 square kilometer land package spanning 40 kilometers of Ghana's prolific Bibiani Shear Zone and is host to an impressive pit-constrained mineral resource estimate of approximately 41.7 million tons at an average grade of 0.55 gram per ton gold, containing 743,500 ounces of gold in the indicated mineral resource category and 46.6 million tons at an average grade of 0.65 gram gold per ton, containing 972,000 ounces of gold in the inferred mineral resource category. The results of the PEA study that was completed in mid-2024 are very encouraging. A net present value of $371 million and an internal rate of return, an IRR of unbelievable 58% based on a conservative gold price assumption of just $1,850 per ounce are as impressive as the production output of 1.1 million ounces of gold during the mine's planned 9-year life, resulting in an annual production of approximately 122,000 ounces of gold. All this with low initial investment costs of $106 million and favorable all-in costs of $1,018 per ounce. Added to this is a fast post-tax payback period of just 1.6 years. With these robust economics, Newcore Gold is currently advancing the project to its next milestone, the pre-feasibility study. This is expected to be completed by the end of the first half of this year. The PFS will build on the 2024 PEA and include the results of extensive field and test work completed during 2024 and 2025, including approximately 30,000 meters of drilling and PFF level metallurgical test work, hydrogeological testing, geotechnical work and environmental work. To maximize the economic value of the project, Newcore Gold has shifted its focus for the PFS to open pit mining with a standard milling and CIL processing flow sheet, and for good reason. When you consider 2 points together, the picture becomes crystal clear. The CIL tests show higher gold recoveries of 89.4% to 97.7% versus just 75 to 85% in the heap leach processing. The added value for maximizing gold recoveries, accelerating gold recovery rates, and lowering processing risk outweighs the additional costs of mill processing infrastructure requirements. Standard mill with CIL processing therefore clearly has the upper hand as higher gold extraction rate, for example, more throughput, same high yield, and the processing risk is reduced because the gold recovery process is quicker. In addition to the eagerly awaited PFS, Newcore Gold has additional catalysts on its agenda for 2026, including additional results from the ongoing massive 45,000 meter drill program. While the first phase focused on a near-surface oxide and shallow fresh mineralization, the second phase has shifted to prioritize high-grade structures at depth. Last but not least, Newcore Gold is well funded with 10.9 million Canadians in cash as of September 30, 2025, and the company expects to receive proceeds of approximately 10 million Canadians from 20 million outstanding warrants that expire end of February this year at an exercise price of half a Canadian dollar, so 50 cents Canadian. Also very impressive is the management team. Newcore Gold's success story is led by proven mining professionals. President and CEO Luke Alexander has expertise in financing many large commodity projects in West Africa. He has not only raised billions of dollars, but also structures deals for large mining companies. The board of directors, including Doug Forster, Blaine Johnson, Mike Wind, Ryan King, and George Salamis, are industry heavyweights who over the span of their careers have demonstrated significant return of value to shareholders. Luke states that it is rare to find such a board in the junior sector. Billions have been raised, startups have become producers, and there have been numerous large profits for shareholders. So, what's the conclusion? What's Newcore Gold about? Newcore Gold continues to advance towards its vision of unlocking Enchi multi-million ounce potential while systematically reducing project risk. The PEA from 2024 and the PFS scheduled for release in the first half of this year are two key milestones in this process. With its location in the multi-million ounce Bibiani Shear Zone, Enchi offers a significant exploration and expansion potential, especially at depth. In addition, the project is on trend and on the same belt as operating gold mines such as Asante Gold's Bibiani and Chirano mines and Newmont's Ahafo mine. Given this experienced leadership team, Enchi's exceptional exploration and development upside and location in one of the world's most attractive gold regions, Newcore Gold's value proposition is taking shape. Given the prospects, it is not surprising that management and the board holds around 15% of the outstanding shares, and institutional investors holds 55% of the outstanding shares. Management's alignment with shareholders reflects their confidence in the Enchi Gold Project. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, along with everything you need to know about commodities. Please note the disclaimer displayed. The stock discussed is or will be part of the SSC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and SRCIG and or SSC employees may hold shares in the company. Thank you for watching us, and bye-bye here from Switzerland.